Hello everyone, my name is Carlos Vallejo and I'm an MAT1 student in the Masters of Athletic Training program at Oklahoma State University. I'm originally from Enid, Oklahoma, and I did my undergrad at Rogers State University in Claremore, Oklahoma. And my first site has been at Holland Hall Private Schools. I chose this site because I had experienced the large public school setting at Collinsville Public Schools in Collinsville, Oklahoma, and I wanted to see the difference in advantages and disadvantages of both sites and just see the difference in kind of the funding they get and just the overall size of the athletic training programs at each place. And the patient population here is very unique. I would say most schools have your traditional sports such as basketball, football, baseball, track and field, volleyball, and stuff like that. Here at Holland Hall Private Schools, you are able to work with what they call alternative athletes, including equestrian riding and hockey. And then we are one of 2 field hockey programs in the state, which is very cool to experience. But the population that you work with here is mostly your middle school and high school students. You do from time to time get an elementary school student that suffers a laceration or just maybe a broken bone here and there. My preceptor is a part of the Holland Hall first response team on campus, so they have a system where every faculty member has a badge, and if you click it 3 times, it alerts the first response team on campus, and my preceptor is a part of that. So any situation that needs emergency management, my preceptor is a part of that first response team. Like I said, one of the unique features about Holland Hall Private Schools is the alternative athletes that you get to work with. So you'll see things that you don't normally see at a public school. And then another unique feature would be just the amount of resources that you get for being a smaller school. I believe they're 3A in most sports, but 5A in a few sports, just because of the talent they have here. However, population-wise, they are the size of a 2 to 3A school based on just overall population. And then I believe many students should experience this site. Many future students should experience this site just because of, 1, the overall unique population you get to work with, and 2, the preceptor here, Jim Mansfield, is very experienced in the field, so you're learning a lot from someone who's basically seen it all. So if you as a student want to learn from someone who's seen pretty much everything you can see in the athletic training field, Holland Hall is a great place for you. Anyways, let's get on with the facility tour. Alrighty, here's that overall view of the athletic training facility at Holland Hall. We have 4 electronic high-low tables, 2 Normatec tables, a low treatment table, and 3 taping tables. Each high-low table has an electronic modality in between it that offers e-stim and ultrasound. And then we have our hydroculator tanks that have the towels and pads next to them. The storage closet that has our tape and other materials such as crutches. And then our Normatec tables that offer high-low settings for the legs when treating the athletes. And then our low treatment table that we use for exercises in Normatec as well. And then we have our 3 taping tables here that we use to tape our athletes before practices and games. And then here's the center of our room where we use the tape on the floor for exercises. And then the island holds some of our exercise equipment such as Erics, pads, Dynadisc, and foam rollers. And then we have our 3 treatment tables and the TV over there where we connect the Wii to do treatment as well. And then here's our storage garage that has the 2 carport and our 2 ice machines and shelving for our coolers. A lot of them are gone because we had practice going on and some teams gone. Our cabinets for some of our medical equipment. And then our wet room has more cabinets and storage, the whirlpools as well, and another ice machine, and then the shelves that has our drinks on it. And our weight room for the athlete strength and conditioning programs, and the sports facility here for football, soccer, and track and field. Thank you.